Hey, welcome to JavaScript Rants. Now, some of you might know me from JavaScript Jabber or Adventures in Angular, React Roundup, Views on Views, or other shows. I decided that I wanted to do a video series on JavaScript. And I'm also doing a video series, incidentally, on Ruby and Angular. And I'm considering doing it on some of the other topics for some of the other shows that we have. But for right now, those are kind of the biggest three shows that we have. And so that's where my focus is going to be. I want to keep them to 5 minutes or less, so they're not going to be very long, but they are going to come out pretty much every day. I'm not sure if I'm going to do 5 or 7 a week. I'm leaning towards 7, but it really depends on how much time I have to produce them. You may also notice that I'm just recording this on my podcasting rig with my RE20. I've got a camera, I've got a shotgun mic, but I haven't had a chance to set that up. And I just wanted to kick this off, and then I'll probably set up that other stuff, and that way I don't have all this stuff in front of me when I'm recording. But that said, let me tell you a little bit about the show and a little bit about what I'm trying to do with it. So the idea is basically, like I said, 5-minute show where I talk about something related to JavaScript. About once a week, I'd like to do an episode where I talk about something more career related. So I might give resume tips or interview tips or how to level up or, things like that. So I'll talk about some of that stuff. Another, at least one, maybe 2 per week, I'm looking at doing something that's a little more focused on what people call soft skills. Now I have a rant on soft skills. I'll probably do it in a different rant, but I feel like in 2 seconds, soft skills is something that as we grow as a community and as we start writing more complicated software, we wind up working in larger teams. And so what we've kind of written off as soft skills to date turn out to be pretty important in the way that we work with each other. And so I'm going to talk about a lot of that and just dive into it. I'm also on an automation kick, but I'm not sure how that's going to play in at this point. And then I'm hoping to get 1 or 2 questions from listeners that I can answer each week. So I got a question on LinkedIn. It was actually, how do you have the political opinions that you have in a community that doesn't agree with you? And so, I'll just talk about that, kind of how I approach it. And I'm probably do another rant on being nice to people we don't agree with and things like that, So anyway, there's going to be some focus there. And then, another 1, 2, 3 episodes per week will be on technical stuff that I find online. And that way we can get a good blend of all of that stuff. But if you have a question and it's kind of a career bent or a technical bent or things like that, I could see having 4 or 5 episodes that are more technical or more career focused or more soft skills focused or something else. So all of that being said, welcome to the show. This is probably going to be a 3 to 4 minute video instead of a 5-minute. But anyway, that's what I'm aiming for. And I'll be setting everything up and getting rolling with that. But I just wanted to put it out there and kind of kick things off. I will also have it available on the Amazon Echo. So if you want to add it as a skill to the Amazon Echo, and then you ask the Echo for your flash briefing, then it'll come up. It'll be one of the things that plays. So that's one of the things that I'm hoping to do with this. And the other thing that I'm hoping to do with this is just put it into an RSS feed. So if you want to just get it as a podcast and all of that stuff, obviously I know what I'm doing there. So we'll put it out there so you can get a video version, an audio version, or whatever you want. And then, of course, it'll be on YouTube. So if you could subscribe to the YouTube channel, that would be great. And then you'll be able to get all of those. You'll also be able to get the Ruby rants and the Angular rants. And beyond that, we're just looking to put out great content for you folks and give you a chance to really see what all of this is about and give me a chance to help you navigate some of the things that are going on in the community. So anyway, thank you for watching or listening. And I'll see you tomorrow with another rant.